Hi everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be doing time in Sotho. Mitsotso, mitsotso. Mitsotso means minutes. Harampa ya motsheare. Harampa ya motsheare. Harampa ya motsheare means noon. Bosiu ba khitla. Bosiu ba khitla. Bosiu ba khitla means midnight. Hora. Hora. Hora means hour. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The link is right down below.